Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a professional invoice template. Let's make your freelance business look official. Start with an A4 layout and clean white background. Add your logo on top left, invoice number on right. Use neat dividers to separate client details, service descriptions and totals. Keep font hierarchy clear, bold for heading, light for content. Use brand colors for small highlights. Add a signature area at the bottom. Keep spacing consistent throughout. Once done, export in PDF to send directly. A professional invoice builds trust before the payment even arrives. Thanks for watching.